Hey, what's up guys? Nick Lane here. Thank you for joining me here today. We're going to talk about a couple things. First off, what is the channel for? Well, in the past it hasn't been for anything except just random videos. But now it's going to be for stock investing. And the platform I use to invest in is Robinhood, which is a really great app. I definitely recommend it to anyone. It's awesome. I've tried some other apps, didn't really care for them. So I've been sticking with Robinhood. And here in a minute, we're going to go ahead and jump into that. But first off, please subscribe. Please hit the like button. Please ring the bell. You know the drill. Thank you. So let's go ahead and jump into the app. All right, we're going to jump into the app. Now, if you're just starting the app and everything, you'll have to go through a sign-up process, of course, and give all your information. And once you sign in and everything, and you'll get your free stock once you are done with that. And, you know, once you get into it, you'll probably be looking at this and like, wow, this is a little overwhelming. Well, it gets easier. You know, just starting off this front page, it's going to have all your investing on it. Whenever you start putting money into it, it'll go through, you know, what you got right here. You got 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, and all time. Right now, mine's not looking too good. I don't have a ton of money to invest into it right now, but we'll get there eventually. Be doing plenty of videos, just me buying stocks and just going through it. And right below all that information, though, you'll have your buying power, which is where you'll be able to see how much money you got. And let's see here. And you'll be able to deposit up to $1,000 as long as you have $1,000 in your account. You have to have the money in your account. It takes 4 or 5 days, trading days, to transfer. All right, so right after buying power, you're going to be looking at the next thing below that, which is going to be pretty much your articles and your information as far as how stocks are doing, which you'll have a bunch of different information there for you daily. And right below that information, you'll have all your stocks. Whatever you're buying, you're going to have stocks right there. Okay, and I've got a few. We'll go through them probably in the next video. We're just going to walk through the app, and show y'all what it's like. And right below your stocks, you're going to have cryptocurrencies. Now, I don't own any cryptocurrencies, but maybe in the future, that might be a different video. And below your cryptocurrencies, you'll have a watch list of all the stocks that you're looking and possibly interested in buying. Now, I got a few different ones on here that I'm thinking about. I used to own GoPro. That was actually my free stock, and I kind of wish I would have hung on to it because I messed up and sold it when it was pretty low, like way back here somewhere. I should have hung on to it, but it happens. You can't be afraid to lose money in situations sometimes. You know, sometimes you might think, well, I'm not interested in this and I just want to get out of it, which may be a good decision. It may be a bad decision. It varies sometimes. Now let's go on to the next page, and you'll be looking at cash management, which is this new thing. And if you do decide to sign up for it, don't forget to tap the card. You can go up 1,000 spots per day. And on here, you'll be able to read through all the information that it's got for you. It's got a lot of good information. And let's go ahead and click the next tab, which will be your search and browser. And it'll also have a bunch of information on there for articles and things to read on what's going on in the world and going on with the stocks. Okay, let's go ahead and go to our next tab, which is messages. This will be where Robinhood updates you when your deposit has gone through, when you've purchased stocks, whenever you get dividend payments. It'll all come through here. A bunch of different things. The next tab is going to be pretty much like where your settings and all your other information is, and statement history and help. Don't forget to share and do your free, try to get people to sign up, get a free stock. It helps you, it helps them. It's very good to have. So as far as a quick walkthrough, that's pretty much the app. Alright, let's go ahead and talk about the stocks that I own. First one being Gladstone Commercial. You know, you'll be able to go back 5 years on your stocks. That's as far as this will let you go on Robinhood, which ain't too bad, but you can find better information elsewhere. And below that, you'll have your position, which I own 2 shares of it. Equities at $42.09. And my average cost per share is around $22.72. Now, my portfolio diversity is 38%-ish. And you'll have today's return and total return, which isn't doing too good today. Below that, you'll have your stats. You'll have what the stock opened up at, what the high was, what the low was. You'll have a 52-week high, which is for 52 weeks of the year. And then you'll have a 52-week low, which is 1902 for this one. So the volume of the stock, which is how much it did today. The average volume is 150,000 for this one. Market cap, 679,000-ish. You'll have a PE ratio, and you'll have a dividend yield. Now, all of my stocks, or at least most of them, are going to be based on dividend yield. I'm really aiming for higher paying dividends at the moment. And then below all your stats, you'll have analyst ratings on some of them. You won't have it on all of your stocks, but on most of them you'll be able to find it, which is pretty helpful when you're trying to make a decision on whether to buy it or sell it. And you'll have earnings below that per quarter. Below that, you'll have people also bought, which is pretty good if you're looking for things that are in relationship to what you own. You'll have featured in, which is most of the time going to be in relationship to as well with what you own, or at least what you're looking at for that specific stock. Now, this is your history right here, or it's my history. And I just got my first dividend payment on the 31st, which I was pretty excited about. It helps seeing that money come in when you're doing this. Which I'm a long-term investor, and I'm really excited about doing this. It's really good information to have, and it's pretty awesome once you get into it. But I think we're going to cut this video a little short, and I'll probably do another video next time when I'm ready to buy my next stock and just kind of go through what I look at for that and what I'm interested in, which I'm probably going to try and buy at least 1 to 2 more shares of this one right here, which is New Residential Investments. Now, they pay me, or they're going to pay me. I haven't received my first one yet. My first dividend payment, it comes January 31st of 50 cents, and that's per share. I went ahead and bought another one, so next month, I believe they pay monthly. Not all dividend paying stocks pay monthly. Some are quarterly. It just varies. You'll have to do the research on which stock you're interested in buying. But I really like this one as far as getting paid in dividends. Now, over the past 5 years, it's up 24%. So it's not too bad. And most of the stocks I own, or at least a few of them, are Gladstone, which is pretty decent company, I think. Alright guys, now that we're done with the app, we're going to wrap this video up. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, ask any questions. If you got any advice, or if I was wrong about any information, just let me know. Alright, so we can move forward and we can learn together. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and ring the bell. Thank you for watching.